Hello smart kid, welcome to Abacus Adventures. Let's learn a new concept today.
Hello adventurer, welcome to week 57. There are 4 worksheets this week and the first 3 worksheets carry the concept of small friends plus on hundreds rod. That means we are going to use the small friends plus formula on the hundreds rod. The rule here is we always use the left hand to solve questions in these first 3 sheets, variant 1, 2 and 3. Let's solve question number 1. Plus 300 with the left hand. The answer is 300 now. The next value is plus 200. So we will use the small friends plus 2 formula. Plus 2 equals plus 5 minus 3. We say the formula exactly the way we learned it. The answer is 500 now. And the last value is minus 500. And we have a 0 as the answer. Easy? Yes, it's easy. Question number 2. Plus 400, the answer is 400. Plus 100, we will use the plus 1 small friends formula. Plus 1 equals plus 5 minus 4. The answer is 500 now. Then the last value is plus 100. So the final result is 600. Clear and type 600. Coming to question number 3. Plus 300, we use the left hand. Now plus 200, we say the formula plus 2 equals plus 5 minus 3 and the answer is 500 now. And the last value is plus 400. So the final result is 900. Clear and type 900. Question number 4. Plus 400. Now for plus 100, we say plus 1 equals plus 5 minus 4. The answer is 500 now. Then plus 400, the final result is 900. Question number 5. Plus 300, plus 200, now the answer is 500. Plus 400, the answer is 900. Question number 6. Plus 400, plus 100, plus 200. The final result is 700. Question number 7. Plus 300, plus 200. Now the answer is 500. Plus 100. The answer is 600. Question number 8. Plus 400. Plus 100, we will say the formula plus 1 equals plus 5 minus 4. Now the partial answer is 500. Then plus 300, the final result is 800. Clear and type 800. Question number 9. Plus 300, plus 200, plus 400. It's 900. Question number 10. Plus 400, plus 100, plus 100. The answer is 600. Question number 11. Plus 300, plus 200, plus 200 directly. The answer is 700. Question number 12. Plus 400, plus 100, minus 500. It's 0. Question number 13. Plus 300, plus 200, plus 300. The final result is 800. Question number 14. Plus 400, plus 100, plus 400. It's 900. Question number 15. Plus 300, plus 200, minus 500. It's 0. Question number 16. plus 400. Again plus 400. This time we will use the plus 4 formula. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1. The answer is 800. Then minus 500. So final result is 300. Question number 17. Plus 400. Again plus 400. Plus 100. It's 900. Question number 18. Plus 400. Plus 100. Plus 200. It's 700. Question number 19. Plus 400. Plus 200. Minus 600. It's 0. Question number 20. Plus 400. Again plus 400. Now the answer is 800. Minus 700. Unclamp with the left hand. And the final result is 100. Question number 21. Plus 200. Plus 300. Plus 100. It's 600. Question number 22. Plus 400. Plus 300. Minus 600. It's 100. Question number 23. Plus 400. Plus 200. Plus 0. We do nothing here. So the final result is 600. Clear and type 600. Question number 24. Plus 400. Again plus 400. Minus 700. The answer is 100. Question number 25. Plus 400. Plus 400. Minus 800. It's 0. Question number 26. Plus 400. Plus 300. Minus 600. It's 100. Question number 27. Plus 400. Plus 100. Plus 200. The final answer is 700. Question number 28. Plus 400. Minus 200. The partial answer is 200 now. Plus 100. The answer is 300. Question number 29. Plus 200. Plus 400. Minus 600. It's 0. Question number 30. Plus 200. Plus 300. Plus 200. It's 700. So I hope you understood the concept and we don't have to solve the remaining questions. You can solve them on your own. All right.